The Drummer's Workbook. Jay Lawrence. Awesome drummer here in Utah. And this book has tons of great stuff. What we want to talk about today is this foot development exercise that he's got in here. So, we're going to start with our right toe. And basically the exercise is this. We pick our right toe up off the floor, and we slam it down as hard as we can, and then immediately pull it back up. And by the way, this is not on a kick pedal. We're not on the drums at all for this. This is just us, either on the carpet, hardwood floor, whatever. But for the right toe, we go bam, 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 okay? You do that for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Then you move to the left toe. Bam, 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 1 minute and 40 seconds, okay? Then you move to the right heel. Bam, 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 1 minute and 40 seconds. You see where I'm going with this? Left heel, same thing, 1 minute and 40. And then, so that's 4 exercises. Then you start doing them together. So you go right toe, left heel. You go left toe, right heel. Then you go right toe, left toe together. And then you go right heel, left heel together. Okay? Those are the exercises. 8 exercises at 1 minute and 40 seconds each. That is, and it's 60 BPM. That is 13 minutes and 20 seconds to go through this entire exercise. So, if you're playing your metronome on 60 BPM, it'd be like this. You're going to do that for 1 minute and 40 seconds. And then you're going to shift it. So at first, you might not be able to get through this whole thing. It's really going to burn, especially if you're doing it correctly and you're slamming that toe down and picking it back up. It's going to really burn you out, and you might not be able to do it for the 13 minutes and 20 seconds. That's okay. Just do it as long as you can. Make sure that your foot is directly below your knee, okay? You are not putting your foot out super far in front. You're not putting it super far behind. The toe and the heel should be pretty close to directly under the knee when you do this. And it's just a good exercise to stay focused. You know that you're building up strength, you're building up stamina, and there's that coordination between the 2 feet, which comes in handy when you're playing kick pedal, when you're playing hi-hat pedal, and when you're playing double bass, right? So really cool exercise. Stay consistent with this. Play it once every other day. And just keep playing it over and over. What Jay Lawrence says in the book, and I'll quote this, he says that this exercise, when worked through on a regular basis, yields significant technical dividends. I don't know about you, but when I'm working on something with drums, I always just want to know that there's going to be some payoff, right? And this is great. This is from Jay Lawrence. He's a great drummer here in Utah. Just awesome. And really cool exercise that you can bank on. You can just work through it and know that it's gonna pay those technical dividends that he talks about. So thanks so much for checking this out. If you're having any trouble with your foot technique or hand technique, please head over to tempoleague.com. I've got the Better Hands course, the Better Feet course, where you can work on your hands and your feet, and I lay everything out in a systematic fashion. You can go from module to module and really learn the exercises you need to improve your hands, to improve your feet, and start, busting through all those ceilings or limits that you've hit on the drum set and having so much more fun. And so please check that out. Please subscribe. Videos are coming out every Tuesday at 2 p.m. So appreciate your time here, and I do hope you have a great week. Happy drumming.